Hello happy people, welcome to the Philip Effect. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use your coins, your Aliexpress coins, to get discount codes on the app itself. So what you want to do first is to click on accounts, like you would always do. You click on your account and now you need to click on coins. There's one here. You click on that. Now when you get here, when you come back every day, like I've said in other videos before, you need to click on check in so you get free coins as well. You click on that, and to get more coins, you can see this 40. Sometimes it could be different, of course. It could be different for you depending on how many goods you've bought from AliExpress in the past, so you get more coins from that as well. So let me just click on that so it increases the amount of coins I have at the moment. So for instance, before I click on that, you can see we have a 5868 up to $117 or 115 euros. So let me just click on that so you see. So if I reload the page, it changes. If I go back, let me just go back so you see. So it's now being recalculated. You can see it's 11811. So that's like a €1 more than it was before. Okay, so if I haven't clicked on this before, the plant itself, I'll click on that and I get another 18 coins as well. All right, this is how you get more. You can click on the plant again to select the highest possible. So we'll click on the orange, so we'll get 20 by the time this plant is grown fully. All right, so people were always asking, when you have so many coins, what do you do with it? You can just come to where you just roll it up this way. Yeah, you can see in the yellow points, you can see the yellow letters, how it's written. That is where you need to click. These are the ones where you have a discount based on that. And some people were complaining in my other videos, like the discount you get is so minimal, but I don't think it's so minimal. That's why you have options, which ones to choose, which one you want to choose, because it's clearly written there for 3 coins. If you give 3 coins, you get 6 cents for this, for instance. Yeah, that is like 2% off. When you click on it, you can see how it's calculated. When I click on that, it's 2% off. Okay, how many do you get for this? 2% off. It may not look so much, but it's a lot. For anyway, you don't pay to get these coins to start with, so I always like to save where I can. And for this one, for instance, this one here, you have 10%. You see, when you click on that, you have 10% off. Yeah, so you just don't click on anyone just because you like it or something. You need to try to check the percentage of the coins that you're given. Like this, for instance, for 530, this white one here, you're getting minus 8%. Okay, you see it's written here, minus 8%. If you're not going through this part, if you're not coming through this page for your coins, if you wanted to get this product from the app itself, from the other, if you just go back to the home page and search for them, you may not get this little discount. It doesn't look so much, but you're saving money as well. You know, it's not easy to get money these days, it seems. And for this one, for instance, this red one, I'm just rolling the screens up so you can see the possibilities of what you can do with your coins. Yeah, so for this red watch, for instance, you're spending 108 coins, and they're giving you that for like €2.12. That is what you're saving when you use your coins for this, for instance. That is much money. Yeah, that is like 5%. So I use this a lot of the time when I'm buying from here, because if you can use the coins, why not? So that is why I'll be stopping in this tutorial, because someone was asking before how to use it reasonably, and that's how to do so. So if you like this video, click on the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider clicking on the subscribe button. You can ask your questions in the comment sections as well. Bless.